they'll probably say stuff like, do you wear glasses, or do you have any medical issues? And they're very clinical, like doctors, And they'll let you ask them any questions if you have any questions before you go. And then once you start your road test, then you're on your own. You're by yourself. Some of them keep the music on, others turn it off. We'll go with we'll turn the radio off here. Just gives you better concentration for some people. But if you want the radio on, you can ask them for permission, because that way then if some people need that background noise, right? Other people don't. What about you? Like, what do you prefer?
I can do both.
Either or. Okay. I get some people with ADHD and they need that radio on. Otherwise they're all over the map. So okay, so let's start your test then. And you'll see me marking stuff. Don't assume you're losing points or anything. We'll make a left turn out of here. You'll see them marking on a tablet, and just ignore them. They could be writing OK for a certain section. So now we're gonna do a drive-through. We're gonna go right straight across here when it's safe. So you'll be starting off in one of these spaces to your right. Usually, if one of these spaces are available with the signs here, the white signs, that's where we're going to park. If not, we can park anywhere else. There's also a couple more white signs here. And they'll usually start you off to go out this way and ask you to make a left turn at the end of the building. At the roadway, right turn. Careful. Okay, see, that's very dangerous. That would have been an automatic fail. You need to wait until both lanes of traffic are clear, because the left side of your car went into his lane a little bit. Yeah. And they'll usually remind you what the speed limit is here on LaSalle. They'll say the speed limit's 50, and then just watch you like a hawk, basically.